Toyota Motor Manufacturing Texas celebrates the start of the production for the all-new Toyota Sequoia, electrified with passion and power. This born in Texas, built by Texans SUV, has gone all hybrid with the twin-turbo V6 hybrid I-Force Max powertrain, boasting exceptional horsepower and torque while minimizing fuel costs and carbon footprint. The all-new 2023 Toyota Sequoia lives up to its powerful and legendary namesake, thanks to head-turning new look, luxurious comfort, impressive technology and the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. Coupled with Toyota's long-lasting quality, durability and reliability, the three-row SUV is sure to stand tall in the large-size SUV segment when it hits dealerships next month. The Sequoia launches with the Capstone grade, a premium collection of features exclusive to vehicles manufactured at Toyota, Texas. All 2023 Sequoias will feature the powerful twin-turbo V6 hybrid I-Force Max powertrain. First unveiled on Tundra, this exceptional hybrid produces 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. I-Force Max isn't just big on power, as this cleverly engineered powertrain features a unique motor generator within the bell housing between the twin-turbo engine and the 10-speed automatic transmission. The design provides both maximum performance and amazing efficiency, and it is designed and built with heavy-duty performance and demand in mind. Sequoia will be offered in two-wheel drive or the available part-time four-wheel drive system on SR5 Limited, Platinum and Capstone grades. TRD Pro will be offered only in four-wheel drive. The part-time four-wheel drive system relies on transfer case controlled via a lever on the center console to select between two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high or four-wheel drive low. Drive mode select is an all-new feature on Sequoia, offering different driving modes depending upon driver performance, and it includes standard settings, eco, normal and sport. The all-new Sequoia offers up to an impressive 9,000 pound maximum towing capacity, a nearly 22% increase over the prior generation. Sequoia features an independent front suspension and adopts a new rack-mounted electronic power steering system for improved steering feel. A modern multi-link rear suspension is employed out back to offer a smooth ride and create opportunity to add the available load-leveling rear height control air suspension and adaptive variable suspension for those looking to tow regularly. A wide variety of colors are available on the all-new Sequoia, including white, wind chill pearl, celestial silver, lunar rock, magnetic grey metallic, blueprint, army green, midnight black metallic, smoked mesquite, supersonic red and the TRD exclusive solar octane. Premium paint colors wind chill pearl and supersonic red are available, and the premium color solar octane is exclusive to TRD Pro models. It will be available in 5 grades that include SR5, Limited, Platinum, TRD Pro and the new to Sequoia Capstone grade. The entry-level 2023 Toyota Sequoia SR5 will set you back by around $58,300 MSRP, while the top-of-the-line variant, the four-wheel drive-only TRD Pro, starts at $76,900. The high-end Capstone will cost you $78,300.